Today I am going to share information on a balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? A balanced diet contains an adequate amount of all nutrients required by body to grow, remain healthy and be disease free. This is my balanced diet food plate that I eat for every day. In breakfast I eat some oats porridge and drink some lemonade. The food we eat and water we drink is our diet. If we include right amount of food from each food group, it means we are eating a balanced diet. A balanced diet consists of different food groups such as vegetables like peas, carrot, cauliflower and pumpkin. Carbohydrates like cake, sandwich, bread and banana. A balanced diet is a diet consisting of proper quantities and proportions needed food to maintain health and growth. Examples of nutrients of a balanced diet are carbohydrates, minerals, vitamins, proteins, fats and water intake. A balanced diet is one which has all the nutrients are found in the balanced quantity. A diet that contains the carbohydrates, nutrients, minerals, fats and vitamins. To keep our health healthy, we should adopt the balanced diet in our life.